In this video, we're going to go over the dashboard in Entrada. This is your dashboard. It has a series of different tabs. It has leads, resident, corporate, accounting, tools, reports, apps, and setup. It has been designed to guide you directly to the task that needs to be completed. Each main tab across the top, that would be these, has its own set of subtabs. If you click on the tabs, these are what the subtabs look like. Every one of the main tabs has a subtab. Each main tab and subtab has a color and number associated with it. The color represents the highest priority level of at least one item within the tab or the subtab. And this is an example of the color and the numbers. The colors: red means urgent, orange means important, and gray means normal. So if you have a red and a number in it, you need to click on and it will come up urgent. And then it will tell you what you need to do from there under the what's next. On the main screen, you have to the right hand side a quick links box. And this gives you several different pieces of information. You can also make a payment, create leads, calculate the first month rent, create work orders, upload invoices, look at your Make Ready board, and get current rent. You also have a calendar where you can add items to your daily list to do. It also has your availabilities, your percentage, your lease, your occupied, your prospects and applications, and the last 30 days of leasing. It also has a filter where you can filter employees,